Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee from Acorn. First, gather mature, healthy acorns, ensuring they are free from holes or mold. Next, carefully shell them, discarding any that appear discolored or damaged. To prepare them for roasting, boil the shelled acorns in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step helps to remove the bitter tannins, making them suitable for consumption. Repeat this boiling process until the water runs clear. Once your acorns are tannin-free, spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Roast the acorns for 30 to 45 minutes or until they achieve a rich, dark brown color. Remember to stir them every 10 minutes to ensure an even roast, preventing any burning and developing that perfect coffee-like aroma. After roasting, let your acorns cool completely. This is important for a good grind. Once cool, grind them to your desired consistency, whether fine for a stronger brew or medium for a smoother cup. You can use a coffee grinder or even a blender for this step. Finally, brew your acorn grounds just as you would regular coffee, using a drip coffee maker, a French press, or your preferred method. Your homemade acorn coffee is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot for a comforting beverage or chill it for a refreshing iced drink. Feel free to customize your cup with milk, sugar, or a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg to suit your taste. It's a unique and satisfying alternative to traditional coffee. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.